Hey guys, today is going to be a quick video sort of related to hiking and camping and at the same time not. It's actually about this. I recently broke my beaker and it's made of Pyrex, and as you can see this whole rim is exposed, so it's easy to bump against something as you're hanging it up or putting it to dry, and that's exactly what happened to mine. I was putting it up to dry and bumped against something ever so slightly and I cracked it. So where I'm from, beakers are not easily available, and where they are extremely expensive. When I bought this, I got it on discount at Starbucks with a deal, so it was actually not too bad. But to just get a beaker by itself off the Bodum resources, not very economical. So this is what I'm left with. Your plunger, which is still perfectly usable. The frame where the beaker used to sit in, totally not usable. As you can see right through it. And that's about it. What do I do? For a long time I was thinking of buying a new one, getting a replacement beaker shipped in from overseas and all that. And then it hit me. I had something that looked very much similar to this. And if you are a hiker, if you are a camper, and you like titanium gear, there's a really good chance that you have it. And that is the Toaks 750. Toaks 750 is a 750 milliliter titanium ultralight cup, which a lot of hikers and campers use, as I'm sure you know. It gives you 2 full cups of water and a bit to hydrate your mountain house or what have you. And I, as most hikers, have it. So, I got it out of my camping kit and check it out. It fits perfectly. So needless to say, this has now moved to the kitchen. It is no longer mine, it belongs to my wife. And we use this to make our coffee every day. To demonstrate, let's make a cup now. So this is Waitrose Colombian medium ground. Smells fantastic. So I'm going to set the kettle on the fire and be back in a minute. So nice hot water, coffee in the Toaks 750, and fill it up to 2 cups, so you can measure it. And just always remember, put the mesh forward, push it slightly down, get the grounds below the water level, and set it for 3 minutes to steep, and I'll be back after that. Well, it's been 3 minutes, so now I'll turn you around and let you look at the press in action. So this is the Toaks, and as usual, just press down slowly. I've got a coaster there so we don't do a number on the bare wood. Take a cup. The only difference is that this does not have a spout. Considering that, if the Avenue 700 was the same diameter as this, it has a spout, and that would be fantastic. So, generally speaking, you just have to pour it. Usually I don't get a spill. So yeah, as usual, I don't get a spill. Okay guys, so that was it. Hot brewed coffee from the Toaks 750 and the Kenya 4-cup half-liter 17 fluid ounce coffee press plunger. Once again, this will only work for the 4-cup half-liter 17 fluid ounce Kenya Cafetiere. Well, I guess it's French. Well, the Kenya coffee maker by Bodum. So, if you've broken your Bodum French press and you're a hiker, you have something that just might work. Or rather, I should say, you probably have something that just might work. Cheers guys, get out there, get hiking, see you on the trail.